Okay, hi. So tomorrow I have my computer science का practical finally. It's been so long. मतलब बाकी सारे practicals दिए हुए इतना लंबा टाइम हो गया था. मतलब I knew that I have my computer का practical बहुत दिनों बाद ऐसे एकदम अलग थलग से after like a long gap. But you know जब एक्चुअली में इतना लंबा गैप हो गया सो इट वॉज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक आई फॉरगॉटन कि अरे अभी मेरा कंप्यूटर का प्रैक्टिकल बचा है. आई गॉट सो हैप्पी एंड आई स्टार्टेड लिविंग लाइफ लाइक अ नॉर्मल पर्सन, being happy that oh my practicals are done, giving advices to other people ki you should do this is what happens. And now I just now I realized, or maybe I'm still not even realizing that oh no, I have my own practical left. I have एक सब्जेक्ट का भारी भरकम 30 मार्क्स का प्रैक्टिकल लेफ्ट. इट्स नॉट इवन अ 20 मार्क्स का, इट्स अ 30 मार्क्स का. सो यू हैव टू डू द प्रैक्टिकल, यू नीड टू राइट डाउन and submit it, and you also need to give your viva and two files. So it's like a whole lot of thing going on in there. So I'll tell you what happened today. Today is the 4th of Feb and I have my practical on the 5th of Feb. Today I went to school and there was a good long 2 hour session on revising the whole computer science, because definitely we do a revision session a day before the exam every time. So definitely we had it today, and we were just like revising some important concepts and stuff that is important. So, and sir also gave us a brief idea of what can be asked and what is important and what is to be studied in a more focused way, all of that. So we did all of that, and then I came back home and I was doing. Now thing is that as I thought, I do not study computer first of all. Even when I do, when I have my exam, so like I need to study a day before my exam. So you cannot like sit and possibly think that you can study this a day before exam, this a day before exam. If you will see this, I have not even touched this, okay? Since the beginning of this session, I have this book, but I have not touched it. I did once, I tried. I'll not lie, I tried once. And the kind of trauma that it left me in, speechless. तो जो मेरा मानसिक शोषण हुआ था इस बुक का पहले चैप्टर पढ़ने के बाद, सो आई वाज लाइक आई विल नॉट रीड फ्रॉम दिस, especially not when I have my exam the very next day, the very next morning, or in a few hours. So I used to completely depend upon my notes, the ones that I make in class, कि हाँ चलो इसी से पढ़ के. And I have literally read my notes before all of my exams because they're quite detailed, and I would also do थोड़े से questions इधर उधर से, and I'll also read online थोड़ा सा material, so that used to be sufficient. Now apparently we have to read a computer की book for a practical, because questions can be asked from anywhere and it is much better to read the book. So I was just reading computer networks and I realized that in Preeti Arora we have computer networks chapter divided in like two parts. So we have computer network 1 and computer network 2, both chapter of 30 pages each, or probably even more. Like I've not counted, but I counted 15 pages तो है, और उसके बाद भी बहुत था. So I have like just guessed कि 30 पेज है दोनों भी chapters में. Like why? What is the need of explaining the RJ45 connector in 1.5 pages? You can explain the very same thing in like 4 lines. Why do you have to tell the whole structure and engineering behind it to a 12th grade student who is not even, who will probably, who might probably not even ever bother knowing what an RJ45 connector is? But it is good because it is knowledge, so increasing knowledge is good. जितना बढ़े अच्छा है. बट लाइक व्हाट इज़ द नीड इतना ज़्यादा एक्सट्रीम बताने की, एक्स्ट्रा बताने की? सो अभी भी मेरा कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क का एक पूरा का पूरा पार्ट बचा हुआ है, गौर फरमाइए, जिसमें कि एंड आई वाज लाइक जेन्युइनली क्यूरियस कि इतना क्या है कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स में दैट दे हैव टू make two parts out of it. Because हमारे स्कूल में while sir was teaching it, we completed it in like 4 पन्ने, एंड यहाँ पे इट्स लाइक 40 पेजेस. तो आई वॉज जेन्युइनली क्यूरियस कि भाई इतना क्या दिया है. तो मैंने टॉपिक्स पढ़े एंड लिटरली वही सारे टॉपिक्स हैं, बट इट इज़ जस्ट कि हाँ हमको एक्सटेंड करना था, तो हमने एक टॉपिक को इतने की जगह जितना कि इम्पोर्टेंट है इतना है, दैट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, इतना में दिया हुआ है. दैट इज़ द ओनली थिंग. सो आई टेल यू माई स्टेटस अभी. लाइक आई डोंट नो आई स्पीक सो मच. आई जस्ट spoke for like 4.5 minutes straight. I have to do computer networks and I have to do SQL and I need to do Python revision tour. So what I'll do is कि अभी मैं बैठ के it's like 7 PM currently. So I am going to set a target कि भाई 7:15 तक I need to complete computer networks, which I know is a very impractical target because the whole thing is like so long. But I will read, I'll skim through things, okay, and I'll read what I feel is the most important. Actually one more thing that I'm doing जिसकी वजह से और टाइम लग रहा है is that I'm highlighting stuff because I have that mentality that चलो भाई if I'm reading the book, let us read it in the right way so that when before my board exam when I open this book, because I will definitely, so I should get that confidence कि हाँ भाई एक बार तो अच्छे से पढ़ा है. And that I only get through writing or highlighting the book. If it's all कोरा करारा तो और देख के मन घबरा जाता है कि अरे भाई कुछ पढ़ा ही नहीं है, बुक तो खोली ही नहीं है, तो वो नहीं होना चाहिए. तो बट मतलब मैं ट्राई करूँगी टू कंप्लीट इट एज फास्ट एज पॉसिबल, क्योंकि इसमें जो है अभी मेरा फर्स्ट वाला जो पार्ट है उसमें भी थोड़ा सा बचा है. एंड देन जो सेकेंड पार्ट है कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स, इसमें दिस इज़ हाउ लॉन्ग द चैप्टर इज़. सो इसमें वी हैव RJ 45. अच्छा ये तो 4 लाइन में ही है, 4 नहीं है 8 लाइन है, बेफालतू में मैंने गाली. नेटवर्क कार्ड, NIC, RJ 45, ईथरनेट केबल, हब, स्विच, रिपीट. हाँ तो अभी अभी मेरे फ़ोन का स्टोरेज भर गया था, तो आई हैड टू सिट एंड वेस्ट 5 whole minutes clearing stuff out, deleting फलाना GB so that I can record this छोटू सा clip. But anyways, so I'll give myself like 18 minutes or somewhat to complete this huge chapter from the book. मतलब I'll skim through it. Okay, अभी जैसे करते करते 7:02 हो गया, बट कोई बात नहीं. तो I'll set an alarm for 7:18 and I'll do computer networks, and then at 7:20 I'll start with ये एक लेक्चर है विच आई वॉच एवरी टाइम फॉर पाइथन रिविजन टूर. अब हमारा पाइथन रिविजन टूर फ्रॉम द बुक इज़ लाइक दिस मच. इफ़ यू रीड इट फ्रॉम बुक यू डू नॉट गेट एनीथिंग. सो आई मेड रियली गुड नोट्स ऑफ दिस दैट आई हैव टू सर्च फॉर कि कहाँ है, कौन से कॉपी में बनाए थे, क्योंकि अभी मेरे थोड़ी सी ना चीज़ें मिसमैनेज हैं. बट आई रीड दोज नोट्स एंड आई वॉच दैट लेक्चर एंड उनके स्लाइड्स से भी आई रिवाइज, सो दैट वे हो जाएगा. 2 मेन चैप्टर्स मेरे हो जाएंगे. देन आई हैव टू डू डेटा फाइल हैंडलिंग विच इज़ द मेन स्ट्रेसर फॉर मी. I will not be touching functions. I'll just ऊपर से revise exception handling. Functions also I might revise ऊपर से, but I'll not go in deep. I'll just revise जो again भाई ऊपर से. तो functions and exception handling I'll revise ऊपर से. Once I'm done with all this, then I have to do database management, very important, and SQL. Now SQL का केवल जो वाला चैप्टर है लीफो फीफो वाला, SQL and ये query वाला, that is really easy. Stack और query वाला, that is very easy. बट जो वो है हमारा DBMS, पाइथन की वजह से I've been ignoring DBMS even though it's like really scoring. So what I have to do is that I have to sit अच्छे से and do that chapter also, DBMS, and I have no idea how I'm going to do it, but most probably I'm just going to do it through my book only. So I am a little concerned about DBMS कि मैं वो कैसे करूँगी, because it's पहले तो बहुत ज़्यादा, ऊपर से आई हैव नॉट स्टडीड इट अच्छे से, सो आई रियली नीड टू स्टडी इट अच्छे से. आई गेट रियली कन्फ्यूज्ड विद द क्वेरी. So but anyways, let's just leave it now. So I am going to sit, I probably will record myself and do abhi computer networks. I have water, drink water, and yes, let's do computer network. in 18 minutes somehow. Try, but never try. All this just to get that feeling tomorrow of knowing everything कि मुझे सब आता है भाई. मतलब तुमको जो पूछना है पूछा. आई नो एवरीथिंग. दैट इज़ सो क्रूशियल फॉर मी बिकॉज मतलब मैं कभी कभी अपने आप को डिल्यूजन में डाल के वो चीज़ करवा लेती हूँ. नहीं भी आता होता है तो भी आई आंसर एज इफ आई नो एवरीथिंग बिकॉज आई हैव सम सुपर पावर्स. बट it is better to actually know everything. I want to really have that feeling tomorrow because I really need it, because otherwise I'm already really I get really anxious in the computer. So alarm set. My group.
Don't you think that I can see you anxiously? Try not to catch a glimpse of me. Don't you worry, it's okay to take a peek. See the magic words now, pretty please. Yeah, you try to hide it, and you've gotten curious. So let your feelings out, stop playing dumb. 'Cause you know I am the fire, I got a feeling, oh. Don't you wanna come a little closer? Fillet, fillet, fillet. Be made, be made. Those lips in your eyes, I'll trade it with mine. It's now or never. I'm tired of guessing, so don't you wanna come a little closer? Why are you playing cool? Just tell me what you're gonna do, boy. Take my hands, draw me close. That's when you'll hear me feeling in the most. I see the trembling, baby, come and take a dose. I might change my mind, you better hurry up. You try to hide it, and you've gotten curious. So let your feelings out, stop playing dumb.
Guess what? ये जो नीचे गाना बजाना चल रहा है, I went there because there is like a whole fest thing. So I went there and I also like we went for a walk actually, me and my mother, but we also happened to go there because it's like in the society itself. So we saw कि क्या हो रहा है and we got a few things. I got momos for me, for myself, and now currently it is 9:15. Are we done with half of the syllabus that we had to revise? No. Are we done with at least 1/4 of the syllabus that we had to revise? No. We just completed computer networks. The 2 whole big huge chapters of computer networks are done. Now I have to start with DBMS. So how I'm going to go about DBMS is कि जो भी सारे syntaxes हैं, I'm going to write it down in this notebook and practice it, so that if tomorrow I have to write, or if it is asked, or I have to perform it on the system, I do not go blank there, because I tend to get really confused with the DBMS wale all syntaxes. I might even practice it on like my tab or the system that I have at my home, because I really need to do that. So let us start with DBMS now.
My father told me I was timid child. At school they said I had no style. And I was dreaming to be those cool kids, but I can't afford my own teenage.
Computer CS Practical 2025.
I'm not doing anything.
We're sitting and
Meet Pratishtha.